Hey friends, welcome to Study and Quizzy Planet. Excited about the Indian Banks quiz coming up? Please subscribe to our channel for more quizzes. Let's go. When did modern banking in India originate? Mid-18th century. Which was the first bank established in India, though later liquidated? Bank of Hindustan. Which is the largest and oldest bank in India still in existence? State Bank of India. The three presidency banks merged in 1921 to form which bank? Imperial Bank of India. When was the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, established? In 1935. Scheduled banks are included under which schedule of the RBI Act, 1934? Second schedule. What is the primary reason Indians have historically preferred bank deposits? Safety and security. What percentage of Indian consumers prefer to keep their money in bank accounts, according to SEBI? Over 95%. What were hundis during the Mughal era? Credit instruments. Which is the oldest joint stock bank in India, still functioning today? Allahabad Bank. Which was the first entirely Indian joint stock bank, established in 1881? Odd Commercial Bank. The Swadeshi movement led to the establishment of which bank? Canara Bank. When was the Reserve Bank of India nationalized? In 1949. Which two associate banks did SBI merge with in 2008 and 2010 respectively? State Bank of Saurashtra, State Bank of Indore. When did the merger of 5 associate banks and Bhartiya Mahila Bank with SBI take effect? April 2017. Which banks were amalgamated with Bank of Baroda on 1st April 2019? Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank. Which banks were merged with Punjab National Bank on 1st April 2020? OBC and United Bank of India. Which banks were merged with Canara Bank on 1st April 2020? Syndicate Bank and Canara Bank. Which banks were merged with Union Bank of India on 1st April 2020? Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank. Which bank was merged with Indian Bank on 1st April 2020? Allahabad Bank. In April 2020, which banks assisted SBI in rescuing Yes Bank? ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. Which bank was asked by RBI to take over Lakshmi Vilas Bank in November 2020? DBS Bank India. Which entity took over operations of PMC Bank in January 2022? Unity Small Finance Bank. What is the name of the financial inclusion scheme launched in 2014? Jan Dhan Yojana. What is the maximum deposit limit for payments banks? ₹2 lakh. What percent of branches must small finance banks open in unbanked areas? 25%. What percent of their loan portfolio must SFBs allocate to priority sector lending? 75%. Which body monitors Indian banks for better service standards? BCSBI. How many debit cards were compromised in the 2016 breach? $3.2 million. Which bank blocked 600,000 debit cards due to the 2016 breach? State Bank of India. Why did RBI cancel some cooperative banks' licenses in July 2024? Capital inadequacy and weaker earning prospects. What is the maximum refund for depositors after co-op bank license cancellation? ₹5 lakhs. Which act regulates commercial banks in India? Banking Regulation Act, 1949. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel and comment your score on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.